Two regular polygons are arranged as shown below. If the area of the inscribed circle is 64 pi centimeters square, what is the value of x? Hence, find the length of the yellow line y. Leave your answers to 2 decimal places. Label BC and join BC. BC equals the product of 2 and r are the radius of the circle. Equating the given area of the circle with the equation of a circle and solving for radius r, we have that r equals 8 centimeters. Thus, B, C equals E, D equals 16 centimeters. Label G and join GE. Label H and K. Triangle labeled DHE equals to triangle labeled GKE. These are similar triangles. Line E, D equals line G, E which is equals to 16 centimeters. Thus, GE equals X equals side length of the regular pentagon. Therefore, X equals 16 centimeters. Label IJ and join EJ. From triangle labeled JEI we can find line EJ. Using cosine rule, angle EIJ equals to 108 degrees. Angle J is an interior angle of regular pentagon. Label Q and M such that line Q, M equals to line J, M equals to 8 centimeters. Line E, M bisects the pentagon. From triangle EIJ, we use cosine rule to find the square of line E, J as shown in equation 1. The square of line E, J equals the product of 2. The square of 16 and 1 minus cosine 108 degrees, which is equation 1. From triangle labeled EMJ using Pythagoras theorem we have that the square of line EJ equals to the sum of the square of line EM and the square of 8. We call it equation 2. Recalling the value of equation 1 and substituting it in equation 2, rearranging the equation, we can now solve for the square of the line EM. Find the square root of the equation. We have new equation for line EM as shown on the screen. But line EM equals the sum of line of ED and DM. Rearrange the equation and solve for line DM, as shown on the screen. Simplify and we have that line DM is approximately equals to 8.6214682.974 centimeters using a calculator. Therefore, line DM equals to 8.62 centimeters to 2 decimal places, which is equals to the required length of the yellow line, y.